Constructing a tiny house on wheels thou infused with a classic mid-century soul serves as a profound masterclass in spatial lyricism, evolving a mere trailer into a high-cultured chariot designed for the contemporary explorer. This creative ethos goes far beyond the mechanical downsizing of a traditional residence. It represents a concentrated distillation of the futuristic zeal and avant-garde bravery that defined the 1950s. Repurposed into a portable, high-utility haven built for the rigors of the highway. By synthesizing the sleek, wind-swept silhouettes of mid-century aerospace engineering with the rustic, tactile warmth of a secluded retreat, these dwellings provide a revolutionary antithesis to the sterile and temporary feel of standard recreational vehicles. At the heart of this vision is the conviction that limited square footage should never equate to limited ambition. But should instead manifest as a triumph of deliberate, masterful craftsmanship. Every radius of the hand-milled woodwork and every pitch of the vaulted ceiling is meticulously calculated to project an aura of permanence, ensuring that the home stands as a breathtaking beacon of mid-century sophistication, whether it is nestled in a redwood grove or perched upon a windswept plateau. The internal environment of such a mobile sanctuary operates as a private exhibition space where utilitarian, purpose, and aesthetic grace dance in a seamless, synchronized rhythm specifically calibrated for a life of constant transit. To authentically channel the spirit of the modernist era, the interior layout embraces the organic modernism movement, layering the cabin with the deep, resonant tones of walnut and the honeyed textures of teak to provide a sense of luxury that anchors the soul within its steel frame. Furniture is treated as functional sculpture iconic pieces featuring slender, splayed legs and concealed compartments that manage the logistics of a nomad's inventory while preserving the expansive, uncluttered horizons required to ward off any sense of enclosure. Dramatic, sky-oriented windows and sweeping glass facades act as architectural apertures, effectively dissolving the threshold between the living room and the wild world beyond, which expands the perception of a modest floor plan into that of a sprawling, light-filled cathedral. This intricate interplay of natural illumination and shadow punctuated by a nostalgic palette of seafoam teals and scorched earth, transmutes the tiny home into a resonant sanctuary that vibrates with historical significance and quiet grandeur. Ultimately, steering a mid-century themed tiny residence across the open landscape is a symbolic reclamation of the golden age of travel, reintroducing a level of stylistic dignity that has been largely forfeited in the age of cookie-cutter urban sprawl. This way of life champions the essentialist doctrine, where the dweller is emancipated from the psychological shackles of excessive possessions and the predatory cycle of high-interest debt. Gaining in return the priceless currency of total geographic fluidity. The true soul of this dwelling is found in its versatile resilience, transforming effortlessly from a focused, sunlit studio by day into a plush, retro-inspired lounge for nocturnal contemplation, all while upholding the unwavering poise of a 20th-century design legend. It stands as a poetic homage to a period of history that viewed the future through a lens of boundless possibility. Now tailored for a generation determined to tread softly on the planet without compromising on the beauty of artisanal excellence. Within this roving masterpiece, the ultimate goal is not a fixed coordinate, but the spiritual equilibrium reached when one's habitat is as fluid, as elegant, and as enduring as the spirit of adventure itself. The architectural realization of a tiny house on wheels, thou anchored by a classic mid-century The Soul represents a magnificent departure from standard mobile living, transmuting a basic chassis into a sophisticated vessel of spatial poetry tailored for the modern-day pathfinder. This design philosophy transcends the mere logistics of living small. It acts as a vibrant distillation of the post-war era's unbridled optimism and artistic audacity, meticulously reconfigured into a high performance. Portable sanctuary capable of withstanding the demands of a nomadic journey. By harmonizing the aerodynamic, streamlined aesthetics of mid-century aviation with the grounded, earthy comfort of a boutique woodland cabin, these homes offer a radical, soul-stirring alternative to the generic and often ephemeral quality of mainstream motorhomes. The foundational pillar of this vision is the unyielding belief that a compact footprint should serve as a catalyst for, rather than a constraint, on architectural ambition, resulting in a masterpiece where every hand-carved molding and geometric roofline is engineered to emanate a sense of historical permanence. Consequently, the dwelling remains a striking icon of refined taste, standing with quiet dignity, whether it is framed by the rugged peaks of a mountain range or the sprawling silence of a desert floor. Step inside this rolling sanctuary, and you encounter a meticulously curated stage where utilitarian ingenuity and aesthetic brilliance engage in a rhythmic, symbiotic dialogue specifically tuned to the complexities of a life in motion. To capture the authentic heartbeat of the modernist movement, the interior environment adopts an organic-centric approach, draping the living space in the rich, chocolatey depths of walnut and the shimmering golden grains of teak to provide a visceral sense of luxury that stabilizes the spirit within its mobile shell. Every piece of furniture is reimagined as a piece of functional art iconic silhouettes with tapered, compass-style legs and hidden, clever storage systems that streamline a traveler's life while maintaining the clean. airy sightlines necessary to prevent the interior from feeling like a confined box. Panoramic, sky-sweeping windows and floor-to-ceiling glass partitions function as literal living frames, erasing the barrier between the climate-controlled hearth and the raw majesty of the outdoors, which psychologically expands a modest studio into a vast, sun-drenched pavilion. This deliberate orchestration of light, texture, and a palette of retro-inspired hues, such as deep turquoise, muted ochre, and slate creates a resonant atmosphere that transforms a tiny dwelling into a prestigious, historical retreat. Ultimately, navigating the open road in a mid-century-inspired mobile home is a powerful act of cultural reclamation, reviving the elegance of the classic travel era that was lost in a world of sprawling, mass-produced suburbs and heavy mortgages. This lifestyle serves as a manifesto for the modern essentialist, allowing the re-inhabitant to break free from the suffocating cycle of consumerist debt and the psychological clutter of excess. Trading material weight for the priceless freedom of total geographic movement. The true essence of this home is found in its profound adaptability, effortlessly shifting from a focused, light-filled workspace under the morning sun to an intimate, jazz-inspired lounge for late-night reflection, all while maintaining the impeccable poise of a design masterpiece.